you also know I am a English trainer. So I want to talk about today Mr. Swamiji Swami Vivekananda. You have know about it in your lower classes, but today why I want to tell about this man, because he was an Indian philosopher and he was an Indian monk, and how he suffered with his life. So I want to tell you something about this man. His name is Swami Vivekananda. He is born in 12th January 1863 and birthplace Kolkata, and died 4 July 1902. So I want to talk about this man, how he teaches, how he suffered his life. When he was a child, he used to think, he could not believe anything. Now today we are believing every religion, everything we are believing. But when he was a younger, he could not believe anything. What the people are telling, he could not believe. So I want to tell something about this man. Second thing is that his famous dialogue is arise, awake and stop not till the ghost is raised. Meanwhile, wake up. When you sleep, you will not reach your goal. And second thing is that don't stop. If you want to do something in your life, so you have to do hard work. Second thing is that continue work till goal you will not find. Continue work. And second thing is that he is telling you cannot believe in God until you believe in yourself. Meanwhile, you cannot believe in God, in nature, until you believe in yourself. So he teaches this way. He wants to take peace that time. He wanted to take peace in all the world. So he is very famous. Actually, he died in 1902, approx around this. He died, but he used to think more, and he never complained to the nature when he was younger, when he was struggling with his life. And second thing is that his speech when he went into America in Chicago. So his first word Parliament of Religions, brothers and sisters of Americans. He gave more things. He provided more things to Americans. But today, nowadays, America's U.S. Army, they are striking our Indian sea in the ocean. So he is Swami Vivekananda, and he gave his speech into Chicago. He went only one man and changed all the USA. He also went to London. But now today's generation is forgetting. All the generation are forgetting this man. But what he tells, you have to grow from the inside. You have to grow inside. No one can teach you. No anyone can teach you. If you want anything in your life, here no anyone will teach you. Second thing is that none can teach you. None can make you spiritual. Here is no anyone person change your thoughts. Only you can change your thoughts. Second thing is that there is no other teacher. You are only one teacher for yourself. There is no any other teacher. But your own soul can teach you. Understand? There is no any one teacher. But I want to tell you something about when he was delivering his speech into Chicago. But now today what America is doing with our India? Only 1% teach we want peace. We want peace. And India also wants peace. India never fight with other countries. He does not want to fight any countries. He only wants peace. We only want peace. But US killed 3 oil ships in Oman, and so many employees were dying. So we are very angry. We are very sad from the US. This way, this way Swami Vivekananda teach you. I want to ask question from Americans. You are just killing the man.